Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nak. Happy birthday. Kiss for Mama. Happy birthday. Kiss for Mama. Kiss for Mama. Happy birthday. So, I'm just preparing her breakfast, guys. And, dadali na namin siya sa kindergarten.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지.
And, happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Dada kiss?
Kiss, Dada.
Dada kiss? Dada kiss?
Oh, you wanted to, another one. Okay. Yeah? That's too much now if it's two. Huh? She's ready na. She's wearing her birthday dress. You're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show. And you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it, turn around. With your dress, turn around. When you're happy and you know it, turn around. When you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show. And you're happy and you know it, turn around. Yay! When you're happy and you know it, say hooray. Tickle her, Dada, in the kilikili. When you're happy and you know it, say hooray. Hooray! And you're happy and you know it, and your face will surely show. And you're happy and you know it, say hooray. Hooray!
한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가.
I think ito yung in-order ko na potty training for Sophia. Dumating talaga siya for her birthday. So, medyo ito nga yun. This is it! Yay! Yes! Potty trainer pot from Fisher Price.
기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데.
Yay! Good job, Dada! Wow, the sweat! Look at that! Only for his daughter.
No one else. Not even a wife.
Ayan. Guys, welcome to my channel. It's Yan here. Today is the birthday of Sophia. Pero wala pa siya dito. Kukunin namin siya ni Bana ngayon. Around 3 o'clock. Pero ngayon, punta muna kami ng KFC para sa dinner namin. Actually, yung mga hinanda ko is yung mga favorite ni Sophia. Like, pansit, biko, cassava, watermelon, tsaka KFC. Yun lang yung dinner namin. So simple. Normally, I was planning to have a party for Sophia this coming Saturday. Kaya, nag-take off kami sa work dahil yon sa birthday sana ni Sophia na i-held namin this coming Saturday. But then, since meron tayong epidemya, so hindi namin itutuloy. And was happy to say, fortunately, last year, nung nag 1 year si Sophia, we have a very big party for her. Hineld namin sa isang resort, tsaka nag-cake smash pa siya, and then we also give gifts for the neighbors, kasama yun sa birthday ni Sophia. And then, doon pupunta din kami sa Philippines para i-celebrate yon sa kanyang mommy at daddy, at saka sa family. Pero this year, wale. So, these balloons are from AliExpress. That number 2 also is AliExpress. This one is from Hema. And the tablecloth is from Action. And itong gifts is from Toy Chumps. And what else? Ito din na slingers on top is from Action din. I also have this, what you call this one, Flamingo. Normally, it's going to be a Flamingo party, theme party, pero hindi matutuloy. So, at this moment, dito din namin nilagay itong Flamingo pool niya kasi sa labas, mahangin. So, sabi ni Bana, leave it inside. And we're going to buy bola mamaya. Pagbihis ko guys, nawala yung kilay. Oh my god. Not the eyebrows gone. No, from the clothes, I think, from the t-shirt because I changed. So, we're going to get Sophia. Knock knock. Ah! Hey. Oh, sudok ya. Hey. Yeah. Thank you. Oh.
Ja.
Ze hebben heel veel feest gedaan. Foto's zijn heel leuk geworden, maar
Ja?
dus jou nog
Okay.
mailen voor.
It's good. Yeah. Thank you, Al. Okay. Doei doei. You hold it, Dada. Hold, Dada. You need to take off your jacket na. Kasiksi. Pia. Hi. Hi.
This way, sweetie.
This way. Go to Dada. Go to Dada. Hi, pretty.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going crazy
Dada, she's sleeping. Happy birthday, na!
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Wow! Yeah! Oh!
What's that?
What's that?
What's that?
Happy birthday, na!
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Oh, mama too, mama. Mama. Yay! Mama's here. Yeah. Yeah. Baby, baby, baby.
Dada kiss? Sophia, dada kiss?
Mama kiss. Ah. To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Again, Dada, again.
No, you only do it once.
Again.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜
What's that, huh?
What you doing? Grabe, pagka-bright, oh. Oh. Yours is the red one. That's for Dada. Give that to Dada. Come here. Mama, which one's for Mama? This one's for baby. This one's for Mama, yeah? For Mama. Oh, sorry. Ah. Yay! Yeah, and this one is the, huh? This is the camera. Okay, party time. Where's your hat?
You put it away.
Yay! Okay, Dada. 1, 2. I cannot put it in. 1, 2. Yay! Yay! Hi!
Hello.
Hello, this is the video, Dada.
Hello.
Hi, guys! Happy birthday, Sophia! Happy birthday, Sophia! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Sophia! Go! Someone is so hungry. Huh? Someone is so hungry, Dada. It's okay. No, maybe it's pancit or a cake. Do you see? She wants me to open it. Take it, please, Dada. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sophia. Happy birthday. Hooray! Happy birthday. Hooray! Blow the candle. Blow. Blow. Yay! Happy birthday, Sophia! Congratulations! Yan! Mwah! Mwah! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Sophia!
Happy birthday, Sophia.
anything else, we would like to thank yung lahat na bumati kay Sophia ng happy birthday. Thank you so much for your greetings sa Facebook, private messages. Everyone who gave envelopes, yung ninang niya pala, si Maarte and ninang Nona, nagbigay ng sobre. Tsaka yung uncle ninong niya, si Maarting Maldito and Uncle Jurgen. Thank you to Mommy and Daddy in the Philippines. Thank you. And we have shout out before we end this vlog. I'm going to start first, yeah? Joris Vlog and Recipe. Shout out to Prasel Moto Vlog. Shout out to Simply Eric. Shout out to Jean Fab. Shout out to Ma'am Susan. Steffi Pinay. To Tita Mark's Life na always niyang hinahanap si Sophia. Thank you for watching. Shout out to Jean Sinji. And shout out to Dali Andrada as well. And
Special request. I don't know why my wife is doing this one, but a shout out to Frau Jen, Frank, and family. Shout out. Bye bye. Hello.
Oh, I would also like to thank Ecath D and Chloe for sending the virtual cake video for Sophia, and also family Ritsma for the virtual video as well for the birthday of Sophia. So, I hope you can visit your channel. Please don't forget to click subscribe. Gusto niyo pong i-shout out namin sa next video, please comment down below para ma-shout out namin kayo po. If you have any special request for Bana, please comment down below, but in English. English only is accepted, okay?
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지